How's everybody doing today? Thursday. It's about 11 a.m. Eastern time. I just made a video during the pre-market hours talking about an idea I had on gold. And I talked about gold last week, okay, on what I'm looking at, and I'm looking for 2,700. And then the pre-market, I recorded a little video, kind of a self-journal that I shared of, okay, I gave my thoughts on gold. A lot of the videos I put out, it's not for anything. It's more just, you know, like an open journal that people can look at and see, man, this guy's way off base, or, you know, oh man, this guy, he's you know, he's got some good ideas, you know, I think he's gonna make it, you know. It's just, it is what it is. It's kind of just journaling my thoughts and ideas in the marketplace, which most people aren't too open when it comes to their trading career, but I have nothing to lose and everything to gain, so I'm more than open on things I talk about. But my pre-market idea, you know, I was talking about, okay, gold gets up to 2,700. I want to see what it's going to do up here. That was about 4 hours ago. Now, it's 11 a.m. Eastern, gold. 5 hours ago, it was like 26.87. Now it's 26.95. So it's still creeping up. So what happened in the past 5 hours, or 4 hours, I guess? What happened? Well, what happened was we didn't do anything because we said we wanted to wait till after the market opened. And we actually, for once, followed our rules. We see on the chart right now what would have happened if during the pre-market I said, oh man, gold's all-time high. Good, now I'm going to short this thing. Just off of that thought. That's weak. That's a weak basis to go short on anything. So I waited till after the New York Open, and now we're sitting at 26.95. You know, I have it zoomed in like a magnifying glass right now on the 5-minute time frame. Each candle represents 5 minutes. So I'm kind of just watching it, you know. Why am I keep thinking 2,700? Because it's like just a, you know, it's a round number. It's like a, what they call those psychological numbers, you know. And it keeps toying with this right here. It's not pulling back and it's not pushing up. So it's just hesitating. A short for me is some pain. And this is such a gradual, slow move up. I'm not seeing the pain dealt. You know, I want to see everybody who has been shorting gold as of right now. This morning, pre-market, New York Open, they just keep adding to their position, short, in the hopes of getting that correction. You know, is it going to give them 2,700? Is it going to have a giant wick up? Personally, I want to see a big wick up and then a sharp sell-off. When I see that, I'm not immediately entering. I'm going to see a big wick up, a sell-off, and then a quick recovery of that sell-off wick, if that makes sense. And I'll place my orders in that sell-off wick. And I'm probably going to use a ATR stop on this position that I take, if I take it. But the market's yet to show my hands. I mean, you can just be looking at it right now. Oh, there's a red candle. Oh, we're going down. I don't care. Go down. You have to take the market personal at times. And right now, I'm personal. It doesn't matter if the market drops to kingdom come. I'm not in a position. It doesn't matter to me. I want some pain before I enter. And if it drops from here, congrats on everybody that's been shorting this morning. But You know, I'm not taking it. It's not giving me the notion of, hey, we just took a bunch of money, now we can reverse. Because the market's goal, this is like something else I tell myself too. The market's goal is to kick you out of your trade. It doesn't care if it takes money from you or not. It just wants you to be kicked out the trade. It doesn't want you to take money from it. Okay? It doesn't matter. It's not too concerned with getting your money. It's more concerned with not giving you money. That's kind of a new thing that I've been developing in my mindset too, is not to be, excuse me, overly concerned with the market taking my money. That's not what the market's concerned about. The market just doesn't like paying people, you know. You hate paying people. I hate paying people. Well, the market's the same way. It hates paying people. So its objective is to knock you out. It's like a position I'm in today. You know, been in a drawdown since, you know, a little bit after the open. And now it's starting to go in my favor. But the market, it could have kept going against me even more. It wouldn't have bothered me because I've positioned myself to where it's such a light position that I can just add at a whole nother leg down and balance it out. It's not a concern to me. The market will not be able to knock me out of this trade I'm in right now. I mean, it would have to completely collapse, you know. And if that happens, so be it. You can't be afraid. Fear will get you nowhere in this business. Fear will just keep you getting stabbed, cut, and wounded over and over again. See right there? Look at that. Gorgeous. That's what I'm talking about. Now it just took all that money. Everybody saw that red candle forming on a 5-minute as we were talking, and they were probably shorting that. Okay, here's a red candle. We're going down. Nope. Took their money. Now it's going up again. It's going to keep doing that over and over and over again until the interest in going short is gone. Okay? So long as thousands and thousands of people keep opening up shorts on gold, it's going to keep going up. It doesn't, at this point, personally, it doesn't matter to me the physical asset of gold. Right now, when we're at a point like this in the price of gold, it's all coming down to traders. Somebody prove me wrong on that. But when you're at this kind of range, at this point, it's all on traders on who's shorting gold. Why would you be shorting gold so heavily right now anyway? You're only like 2 weeks away from the U.S. election. That's going to be a deciding factor on gold's general trend for the next 4 years, honestly. As far as a short-term scalp, yes, I'm looking to get a short on gold. But I'm waiting for some pain. Right now, it's seeing what kind of interest it can get. It's creeping up. Still creeping up. Are you shorting gold right now? Are you in a drawdown? Are you prepared for it to go higher against you? How high you want it to go? 27.11, 27.30, 28? Can you handle if gold went to 28 today? Can you handle that? Oh man, gold ain't gonna go up 100. It ain't gonna go up 100 in one day. Just watch. The price of anything can do anything it wants at any moment. You have to position yourself correctly. So that's just an interesting little thought I had on gold, and I'm just watching it. This is kind of, you know, how I do when I'm watching something. I'm just keeping my eye on it, and I'm just stalking my prey, waiting for an opportunity, you know, waiting for some nice curvature, you know. It keeps having these quick wicks down and then being bought back up. So until I see it happening on the other end, where it keeps having these quick wicks up and these slow moves down, that's what I want. I want the opposite of what the market's telling me. So, gold is looking good. I like the way gold's behaving. I'm just going to be watching it. Just a little follow-up video on the video that I had made earlier this morning. And we will talk to everybody tomorrow. Peace.